Hello to all of you. Congratulate today to all of the students, and I hope experience this in the years that you are here. At first, before I explain about my presentation, I should say some point about this. A question that I think is for you know why I speak in English. A situation like this is an opportunity for me and my classmates to challenge ourselves, and I decided to challenge my English language skills now. And another reason that I have for my work is this. 3 weeks ago, when I sat there, I made my decision, and no, I don't have any choice. I should do it. So let's go do it together. At first, you consider you are a student in a class in a school, and you sit in a class and listen to your teachers. Teacher taught about topic, and you listened him or her. Whenever is necessary, you ask your question about topic, and after that you understand the topic, and you learn about topic completely. But a few days later or weeks later, at night before exam, when you want to review a topic, when you refer to topic, you have a strange feeling. You have a strange feeling about this topic. You don't know anything. You forget more content about that topic. And you can consider another situation when the teacher teach a topic and ask a question about it that you learned recently. You confidently volunteer to answering his question, and when you want answer the question, you answer it wrongly. What happened? Why? This question you ask yourself. All of these problems is related to a defect, a hidden defect in your knowledge. That educational system couldn't realize it on time. And so this problem is related to a system. Academic performance prediction system seek to achieve it. This system is related to another broader field that is called EDM. EDM is an abbreviation of educational data mining. Educational data mining based on information about students and question, and using statistics, science, and machine learning predict your performance about the future. The core of EDM is knowledge tracing. Knowledge tracing experienced 3 generations up to now along the year. The first generation is used simple probabilities, and the second generation is based on neural network, and the third generation is based on artificial intelligence. To know more about knowledge tracing, we should go back to many years ago, 1990, when the scientists start working on systems for automating learning. In 1994, John Anderson with his co-worker introduced the first generation, that is Bayesian knowledge tracing. Bayesian knowledge tracing is simplest form of knowledge tracing. It predicts next based on 4 factors. These factors are prior knowledge, learning rate, and guess probability and sleep probability. I explained them one by one. Prior knowledge, students have knowledge about a question before answering it, and learning rate refer to knowledge that a student acquire after answering a question. Guess probability refer to probability that a student know about question but answer it didn't know anything about question but answer it correctly. But sleep probability is this when you have enough knowledge about a question but answer it wrongly. Based on these factors, Bayesian knowledge tracing predict the next step, next performance of a student. The strength of this model is simplicity. Is this simplicity and interpretability in its work. Interpretability is this when decide about the next step. When decide about the next step, you don't ask yourself why, because you know the decision, you know the reason of this decision. And another weakness of this systems is this. Consider any situation as a binary state, 0 or 1, black or white, but the reality is different. Reality is gray, not black or white. All of this critical opinion about Bayesian knowledge tracing in 2010 led to another generation of knowledge tracing. Deep learning. Deep learning is the second generation of knowledge tracing that introduced on 2010. Deep learning uses neural networks for predicting the future, and it considers many factors in its prediction, like information about the learner, about time, about behavior, and about questions like difficulty of it. This system, like another systems, has some strengths and weakness. The most important strength of this system was the accurate prediction. But about weakness, I should say, the scientists sort a number of weakness. One of them is this: when you or a student answer a question wrongly, the system couldn't realize this wrong is related to question text or lack of enough knowledge. And another weakness that is important is this. They call it as a black box, a mysterious box. because when it predicts the next step, you couldn't realize the reasons for this decision, and because of some complex complexity in it, you couldn't realize it. All of this caused scientists to lead to the third generation of knowledge tracing. The third generation of knowledge tracing is supported by artificial intelligence. They decided to integrate the strengths of another generation with each other and cover the weakness and introduce a model that is more complete. Finally, I should say about knowledge tracing. Knowledge tracing is a system that equips us as a member of educational system to analyze and assess the learning process and intervene in the learning process on time and improve the educational system. Thanks for your attention.